Okay, this is how you give me mod rights. And it's pretty straightforward. You click on your store. Part of my background, it's very busy right now. But over next to the page number, you're going to find the word moderate. Just click on that. And one of the actions down below is forum editor. Okay, so we're going to go into forum editor. We're going to scroll all the way down. At the very bottom, you have admins. Okay, and these are the people that can do all of the moderating. I'm not sure of the difference between moderator and admin, but I know by giving Honey and Desi rights to my store, because we always raffle together, we do a lot of crisscrossing between each other's stores. Just type my name in there, just like that, with the space in between, and click update, and it should add me there, and I should be able to then have moderator rights in your forum. Okay? Not too hard.